Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of BTP development for the UI 5 and Fiori. And we were talking about the concept of CSS in the last session. Further, we use the internal CSS to design our web page also. So I'll take you to the business application studio. Meanwhile, it is opening. We have a concept here in the CSS. It is called as box model of CSS. Box model. So what happens here is behind the scene basically CSS box model identifies how your box model are relatively positioned and how your HTML elements are positioned with respect to your borders. That's what your box model does here. It identifies how your box model are relatively positioned and how your elements are positioned with respect to the border. So if we talk about it diagrammatically, that will be relatively more easier for us to understand. So that's something which is going to be there. So what you are going to see basically here, if we have two elements together like this way here, that's the first one. And let's say we have a second one here. Yeah, that's something we have. And say we have a HTML element here. Element. Let's say this one. And this element also. So in between this space that you are seeing here, between the element and this area here, this area, this space here, it is called as padding. What it is called as? It's called as padding here. Yeah. So this is a padding. Similarly here, whatever is this space, it's called as padding. Yeah. It's called as padding. And in between these box models here, if you see, we have a space here also. This section is called as margin basically. It is called as margin. Margin. So we have two things here, padding and margin. Padding and margin here. So what is padding? Basically, padding is the space between the HTML element and the border. And if we talk about margin, margin is the space between two consecutive HTML elements. That's a very important concept here in the CSS box model called as padding and margin. Yes, padding and margin. Perfect. So let's get inside our business application studio tool and we will see this practically also. It seems BTP platform is a little bit slow. Let's just wait for it. Don't know why it's taking time. Okay, instances and subscriptions. It seems some issues there in the BTP. Currently, it's taking time to load. Let me try from here. And I will start our development space. Taking time. Okay. It seems some issues there in the file environment. Okay, so let's see now. We are here. So now what we can do, if you see here, we had given a box as the parent one. Let me just execute. Open in a new tab, and UI5 Fiori development. Under it, we have CSS underscore demo.html. All right, let's go there. CSS underscore demo.html. Perfect. That's the one. So now what we can do is, based on it, we can give here a margin. So what is a margin? Margin is the space between these two consecutive elements. So I can give here a margin. It's a margin I'm giving as 3 pixel in between them. So what will happen? This small margin is appearing here in between elements, correct? Further, we can do text alignment here, like text align equal to, let's say, center. So the text will be aligned in between the center area. Okay, correct? Yes, text will be aligned in between the center area. Yeah, that's something we can do here. So this is the concept of CSS box model. CSS box model here in between in the CSS in the UI5 here. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Also consider joining the membership, and I'll see you in the next episode for UI5. Thank you very much.